so this will be this will just be part 2 of this. So undoing compositions. Undoing. Undoing compositions, again, another very important tool. When you get to calculus, undoing compositions will be really important. I forgot to talk about one thing, so doing another thing real quick. So undoing compositions means we're looking at the composition and picking which is the inside function, and picking and figuring out which is the inside and which is the outside. So we want to find the inside function and the outside function. When we undo compositions, there can be more than one correct answer. So let's look at an example. So we want to find so that f of g, our composition, equals 1 over the square root of 3x plus 1. So we're saying this is a composition function, composition of functions. What could be f and what could be g? So what's a possibility for the outside function? 1 over square root of x. I heard 1 over square root of x. If f is 1 over square root of x, then what would g be? What would the inside function be? It would make f of g this. 3x plus 1. So there's an easy one. So we just said f, our inside function is 3x plus 1. When I stick that into 1 over square root of x, I get this. Is there another way we could do it? Do that in red. F of x equals, what's another way we could break this apart? 1 over x. F of x equals 1 over x. G of x could be, what would g of x be then? Square root of 3x plus 1. So those are two ways we could break apart that composition. Yes? No, just one. Just one is fine. Let's look at one other that's a little tricky. I kind of like this next one. How about same thing, find f and g. So f of g, have to be a little trickier with this one, equals x plus 1 squared minus x minus 1. And we want to find f and g. What looks like it should be the inside function here? X plus 1. So let's see if we can get g of x to equal x plus 1. Because we know we're plugging an x plus 1 in there. Can we rearrange this so that this part would be an x plus 1? Could I write this as x plus 1 squared minus x plus 1? Yeah, that's kind of nice. So g of x is x plus 1, so what does that make f of x? X squared minus x. Very nice. So we had to be a little trickier. We had to factor out that negative 1 to get both of these to be an x plus 1. So that's another example of decomposing, finding the functions that make up a composite function. All right, sorry I forgot about that earlier. I got excited about talking about the graphs. Okay, we good there? And there can be more than one correct answer. You don't have to find all of them. Just find a set of functions that works. Again, in calculus, finding the functions that make a composite function, important skill to have there. All right.